actually is with regards to Cadila Healthcare. What this means is that they had received certain inspections which had taken place in September of 2015, September of 2014, and those are basically resolved as per the US FDA, and the US FDA has issued an establishment inspection report on the earlier observations, exactly like similar to what happened with lupin. So what happened with lupin is that the earlier observations were resolved. They still have 9 observations which are pending. These are September 2014 observations which they had received for the Moraiya facility, after which there was a separate warning letter which was issued in December of 2015. So those observations or those issues which were highlighted in the warning letter still stand for Cadila Healthcare, and they are currently still remediating those. So there are 2 issues which are present here. Yes, they've received an establishment inspection report for the earlier observations which were made in September of 2014. That does not mean that the warning letter which was issued in December 2015 is resolved. That still stands. The issues raised in the warning letter still stands. So while this is a positive, it's a positive step indicating they have one step closer to maybe resolving the warning letter issues. There's more confidence in them resolving the warning letter issues. It does not mean that the warning letter issues are resolved. It's still, however, a positive.
Oh yes, Ekta. So the second part of the warning letter, that needs to be resolved. But of course, the
warning letter as a whole needs to be resolved. So these are earlier observations, then came the warning letter. So the warning letter still needs to be resolved. The earlier set of observations, the first set of observations that were received, that is resolved as per the US FDA. They've received an establishment inspection report, but the warning letter that is outstanding still, that needs to be resolved. Similar to what happened with lupin, you can just, it's a different case, but you can just compare it to get a sense in terms of a similar case history.
All right, thanks for that, Ekta, for getting us all that clarity coming in. But that stock is really reacting positively to this piece of information as well. So that's a lot of news coming in on pharma, and the next show will take it forward. That's a wrap from Business Lunch. Thanks so much for tuning in.